Yeah, well, I do. I haven't done it yet.
So just finished up the hill climb, driving back to Hamilton now from Whangarei. So it was Doctors Hill Road, just 1.3 kilometres of tarmac. Pretty short, but yeah, the Crosscart was another level, man. It was a different beast. Never driven something like that before. So fast, just stops quickly. Changing gears is easy. You can carry so much speed through the corners. Since it's so small, normal road feels like really wide, like a racetrack. Awesome day out. Big thanks to Ben and Huband for having me. Opportunity really of a lifetime to drive one of those. Always wondered what they were like. It didn't disappoint. Thank you to Nicole for putting me up for the night. Yeah, cheers.